Here's some catchphrases I remember hearing off the TV when I was a kid growing up.
They're great.
Which was from Frosted Flakes.
Now you know, and knowing is half the battle.
That's from G.I. Joe.
Cowabunga.
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Obviously from Scooby-Doo.
Milk, it does a body good.
Milk.
Snap into a Slim Jim. Oh, yeah.
With Macho Man Randy Savage.
I Betty the Fool.
Mr. T.
Do the do.
Mountain Dew.
Blop, blop, fizz, fizz. Oh, what a relief it is.
Alka-Seltzer. Although I didn't know that's what it was until I was an adult.